Rivers State Governor Simialaye Fubara don tok say Rivers State na one of the safest and most peaceful states for Naija and e dey conducive for investment. The governor tok dis one for Executive Council Chamber for Government House for Port Harcourt when he welcomed the Christian Association of Nigeria (CAN). Oga Fubara come assure say your administration's commitment na to provide security and ogbonge environment for people to live and do business for the state without any wahala. E come still beg CAN to support the government effort in promoting peace and security for the state through prayers. E come say im go do everything for im power to sustain security for the state and say your administration go focus on doing more people-oriented projects to meet up with the efforts of the past government.
But I can assure you the issue of security, we are tackling it. Rivers State is safe. That is the truth. Let us not deceive ourselves. What is happening in Borno, what is happening in Zamfara, what is happening in Sokoto, I don't think it happens here. Even the United States of America, where people believe is a model for standard, 2 days ago, in the graduation section, it's in the news. A convocation, yeah, because they didn't use the word convocation, like graduation ceremony. Somebody came and shot 20. I know that we've not tolerated in this state up to that level. Well, a few disgruntled who are looking for a way to survive, who believe crime is the only means to survive, but we're dealing with them. I can assure you we're going to improve in what we're doing. We're not going to allow any gap so that they don't spread more than or what we already have. In terms of our projects, I can assure you it will remain people-oriented projects. We are not going to involve ourselves in projects that we cannot commission and that will not have any direct bearing in the life of our people. We will continue to do things that will have good impact in our society and the welfare of everyone. I can assure you that.
Rivers State Chairman of Christian Association of Nigeria (CAN), Most Reverend Kaladokuba wey come with the association for the council call, come talk say the visit na to join body with Governor Fubara for the victory wey im get for the governorship election when he take become the governor of the state. E come trace alert give the governor when he take call dem come and dem go support and pray for the state. E come still say dem know of Governor Fubara work for public service and the way he take put body professionally and technically for the last administration for the state, and that one make am the correct man to continue more development for Rivers State.
We are convinced that your track records, your formidable background in public service, and active professional and technical involvement in the past administration of the state has equipped you sufficiently for the consolidation of the achievements of your predecessor, required to open more frontiers for further development of Rivers State. We have no doubt that you are capable of dealing with the security situation in the state, providing an enabling environment for investors, and enhancing agricultural and commercial activities for our people.
From Port Harcourt, A. Carter Ojesele, TMC TV News.